Welcome to our Midi Recording and Virtual Instruments tutorial. For this demonstration, we will be using an EMU MIDI interface connected to the iPad by a camera connection kit. The camera connection kit provides us with a standard USB interface to which we can connect any iOS-compatible MIDI adapter. The interface will typically provide a MIDI in and a MIDI out which can be connected to your MIDI-compatible keyboard. In order for Meteor to accept MIDI input from an external keyboard, you need to enable MIDI from the MIDI Setup dialog, which is found in the Options menu. For this demonstration, we will create a new project and outline the recording procedure. When a new project is created, all tracks will automatically default to mono audio. If you wish to record MIDI data, you will need to change the track type accordingly. To do this, simply double-tap the arm button on a track to expand the controller lane, select track type, then pick MIDI from the pop-up menu. In order to sync more than one track, it's advisable to enable the metronome during recording. From the metronome options dialog, you can configure the tempo and the number of bars to count you in. You should now be ready to make your first MIDI recording. Press record, followed by the play button to begin the recording process. You can now repeat this process for as many tracks as you wish to record. You will notice in the previous clip we gave you a glimpse of the MIDI editor. This message will appear if you click the MIDI editor button but haven't purchased the in-app. You can purchase the MIDI editor using the online shop on the Help menu. This is an optional in-app purchase which is not required to record MIDI but allows the flexibility of editing your MIDI recordings. Don't panic, there are more than 4 in-apps, just scroll through the list. The MIDI editor adds a great deal of flexibility to the recording process. One advantage is the ability to scrub notes. This helps you identify incorrect notes or timings. Another advantage is the ability to add, delete and edit individual notes, velocities and controllers. The editor has full multi-level undo and the ability to step record. Step recording is useful for entering multiple notes of fixed duration, such as arpeggios, which are incredibly difficult to play in real time. Simply enable step record, position the play cursor, then play the required notes on your external keyboard. For those not wanting to be tied to an external keyboard, you can use our Virtual Instruments in-app to create a truly portable music creation environment. The Virtual Instrument Pack includes assorted drum kits, synthesizer and sampler instruments capable of producing a large range of sounds. This is an example of an electric drum kit. Each pad can be individually edited as well as being able to add EQ, bit crunching and effects. Virtual keyboard is provided for recording sequences using the sampler and synthesizer virtual instruments. Here is an example of a synthesizer instrument. Again, these instruments are fully editable, allowing you to edit and create your own patches. Additional instrument patches are available in the downloadable sound libraries found in the Help menu. Additional instrument libraries will become available from time to time, so don't forget to check it out occasionally and see what's new. Please check out the other Meteor tutorials. Thanks for watching.